Hey, magnificent people. Hey, beloveds. Royalties. That's who you are, and that's how I wake up feeling this morning, like a royalty. I wanted to tap in with you guys real quick. I know it's never really quick when I jump on, but when I do, I just really want you guys to grasp and be updated with what is happening now. Those of you who are watching me for the first time, hey, hey, hey. My name is OG Treese, okay? Call me Treese. And this platform is for anyone who is going on a healing journey, who is ready to transform their mind, body, and spirit, right? What I offer here is a community. What I offer here is a accountability group. What I offer here is one-on-one coaching. I offer products and equipments that will help you also on your journey. Tools, systems, we get you engaged in what we have going. Okay? Um, I love what I do. It has merged into my lifestyle, and I wake up and I literally get paid for what I do, right? Um, it was a journey. It took a journey. It took multiple traumas in my life for me to get here. It took one trauma to my physical body to get me here, right? And multiple tests and tries to overall spirit and my spiritual journey. But one of the thing I always cling close to is my faith. My faith. My faith is just what I hold on to and what I believe in, and just really always start trying to really identify that what that is, and learning more and growing into it as I develop and become who I was created to be. Um, I I do a lot of things. Sorry, I keep getting messages. I thought this was a good time to jump on. I try to jump in between things that I'm trying to get done. That I don't like that word, that I am getting done. But nonetheless, I'll definitely rush this, but get to the point. So, that was just a little bit about me. I went through the trauma. I went through a healing process. Cling to my faith above all things, and you know, got got led to where I am now. Right? It was a journey, and sometimes we get stripped of what we obtain for ourselves, that we did not put God first for, um, only to start over and turning it all over to Him. You know, Ooh, it is what it is, right? So, fresh start is always something that I've embraced now, because I've been through a cycle of always starting over, starting over, starting over. So if there's an expert in starting over, I would say that would be me. So we have a fresh start program that is associated with another brand of mine's. So if you're interested in that, it covers all the healing, it covers all the um, mindset reset shifting. It just helps you to recover and heal, right? On this platform, we also offer your health and wellness journey, where we provide wellness kits. We provide, again, accountability platforms, where you can get connected with me again one on one, and we can do an assessment, we can do some recommendations, and we can get you on a routine. You get your meal plan, you your meal plan guides, you get your workout um, plan and fitness goals set, and then we go ahead and set up our plan. Right now we have a 14-day fit, right? And that the first phase of it finished on the 14th. However, we're starting up the second one, which is coming up on the 18th, right? And that is a self-taught program where you will get your that involves your detox, right? You have 14 days into the program, you're getting 2 weeks detox. You may get additional um, supplement that goes with that, along with and along with just guidelines on the rules and things to get into the program. You are responsible to just you know, put in that work in terms of the fitness, or setting your goals. And I do advise that you take those 2 weeks to figure out what it is that you want to do. Take those 2 weeks to really analyze yourself, take notes. What are you eating? What is a day to day? Did you miss? Be completely honest with yourself. So take that 2 weeks to do like a self assessment while you are really detoxing and planning your meals and planning the things. Prepare yourself. I really believe in the process of preparing. You are so much. You're planning for success once you put your state of mind on that focus, right? So I do say that you do that. So you, after the 14 weeks, you are going to lose weight if you are utilizing the the system that we have for you and having that detox. You're going to lose some weight. You can come into the second 14 weeks. What is going on? I don't know what's going on. My throat. It does that sometimes. So, in the second half of our 14 weeks, and you can come in there, and again, you can choose to detox, right? Because on our 30-day program, we are detoxing for that month, right? But we're also taking other supplements to help with replenishing our body, to help give us that extra boost of energy, to give us that clarity and focus through our days, so that we can continue and sustain throughout a planned day, right? We are focusing on boosting or building our immune system and making sure that we are, healthy throughout, right? And not only that, but the foods that we're eating and that are geared to our goals are also helping in that journey. So it gets a bit tricky when it comes to the second half. This second half, you're going to be indulging in actually routines, fitness. So start walking. Right. I'm sorry, I'm reading at the same time. These messages just coming in. It's Tuesday, guys. We are very productive around this time, and we just get it done, period. So, yeah, I'm really lagging behind. So, let's get this over with. So, yeah, the next 14 days, yeah, get out, start walking, start doing some cardio, start jump roping, start doing those things. Those things help your full body. Those things help you to start shedding some inches and things in that nature. Remember, it didn't take overnight for you to get hair. It took some time. So give yourself the patience that is going to require for you to actually reverse and reset the body, reset the mind, build up that belief and just create that consistency that you need, that is required on this journey. And definitely self development, personal development is so key, especially being in our group, guys, because we're all on different journeys and we're all going to see different results, or the results that we're getting um is going to appear differently on each of us, because we're our stance, our shape, everything is different. And if you're not doing your personal development, I try to get in our 30-day group, I try to get us into like a specific book and then go through that book. But you um just absolutely be amazing to yourself, to your mind. Be patient, and just focus on your journey. All you need to do also is just write your thoughts down, write your gratitudes down, write your plans down, write them down and make them plain. Read as you're filtering out your mind, as you're renewing your mind. If you're not putting new things in it, you're going to be having the same rehearsed thoughts, the same replay in your head of the why you coulda, shoulda, woulda, and why it's not, and how deserving you are of your lack, which you're not. You're deserving of so much more, and you're going on that path, and it's going to be challenging, and it's going to be testing, and nobody said it was going to be easy. But the fact that you have accountability, the fact that you have a community, the fact that you're here, right? Come in and share what you're going through, so that we can embrace, right, embrace you, and encourage you and support you on that journey, right, or get to know each individuals in the group and see who you can vibe with and who you relate with and who you can be familiar with, and in a high vibrational state, not low vibration, and just grow together, right? So that's what we're building. 30 days is also the similar. 30 days similar. 30 days you are, you know, you're doing your affirmations, you're doing your book reading, you're working out 30 days straight. So if you're a beginner, just, take your steps through it, do your modified if that's what you want. But know that it can get intense in the 30-day. It's a real journey. But at the end of it, guess what? You've created a lifestyle habit. You have created something magnificent. You have evolved into a new version of yourself. You're looking, you're feeling, people are realizing who you are in that moment, right? You have not arrived yet because you still have work to do, but the greatest thing is you have created such an amazing person within yourself, such an amazing divine source of limitless potential, right? And you're going to start awakening those things. It's going to help you to rise up out of anxieties, out of depression, out of just, any anything that, that could be preventing you, right? So I'm going to let you guys go, and I will see you guys again later. Okay? So get involved. smile.dynasty.com. smile.dynasty.com. Also, follow me, Smile Fitness by Treese, on Facebook and on Instagram. And yeah, I'm looking forward to working with you guys. I'm looking forward to helping you and walking with you and just leading with you, learning with you, and just impacting our communities together. Peace and love.